Hello, guys, and welcome back. As you all know, this is the seventh part of the series named 5 Minute Facts. If you missed the previous videos, check out the link given in the description below. In this video, you'll see more amazing facts, and some of them are totally mind blowing. Can't wait to see? Now, let's go. We know that Snapdeal is an online shopping site. But how many of you know that there is a village named Snapdeal.com Nagar? Yep, you heard that right. Formerly named Shivnagar is a village located in Muzaffarnagar district in Uttar Pradesh is now named as Snapdeal.com Nagar. This is because Snapdeal's CEO donated a little over Rs 3,33,000 and installed 15 hand pumps within the village. Out of gratitude for this kind act, the residents there have decided to rename their village to Snapdeal.com Nagar. So, the next time someone asks you for directions to Snapdeal.com Nagar, don't be surprised. Human Uber is a piggy bank or shoulder ride given to someone else as a form of transportation. It uses a real human as a surrogate for another remote user. The surrogate user wears an iPad-like display as a mask, which shows a remote user's live face and transmits the user's voice. This was invented to let you stay at home and attend parties remotely. A really weird invention, don't you think? We live in a world of math and science. Everything here is calculative. But have you ever wondered about a math equation which calculates your happiness? If you didn't, well, here goes. This mathematical equation for happiness was invented by the researchers at the University College of London in August 2014. They said it could predict moment-to-moment happiness. This is based on the rewards people receive with respect to their expectations. And this here is the equation of happiness. 10,000 light years from Earth in a constellation far, far away, there is a massive cloud of alcohol. It's literally space booze. Discovered in 1995 near the constellation Aquila, the cloud is at least 1,000 times larger than the diameter of our solar system. In other words, it nearly contains enough ethyl alcohol to fill 400 trillion pints of beer. It's in a region known as W3OH, only about 6,500 light years away. Unfortunately, it is methyl alcohol, commonly known as wood alcohol, so it isn't suitable for drinking. We know that Mount Everest is usually said to be the highest mountain on Earth. There is absolutely no doubt about it. How many of you also know that there are at least 200 corpses on Mount Everest which still remain there, and some of them are in pieces pulled apart by avalanches too? You might be wondering that those who died on mountaintop should be brought down and must be given a proper send-off. But the protocol dictates to leave the dead where they died. And so these corpses remain to spend eternity on the mountaintop, some serving as a warning to climbers and some others as gruesome mile markers. This here is Charles Arthur Floyd, nicknamed Pretty Boy Floyd. He was an American bank robber in Oklahoma City. Charles Arthur Floyd also became one of the nation's most celebrated criminals. It is because he used to donate most of his robbed money to poor people. In 1934 October, when he died in an encounter in police's hands, a crowd estimated at more than 20,000 made it the largest funeral in Oklahoma history. It still is thought to be the largest funeral ever held in Oklahoma. Standing 7 feet and 4 inches tall and weighing 550 pounds, Henry the Giant possessed the superhuman ability to consume massive amounts of alcohol that would kill anyone else. He drank 156 beers in one sitting. It made him giant drinking guy of all time. Not only this, he once drank a plane ride, hung up on a $40,000 bar tab, and even when he said he quit drinking, he still drank 5 bottles of wine at dinners. Well, that's all. You made it to the end of these amazing facts. How many did you know? How amazed were you? Were these amazing facts as amazingly amazing as you wished for? Do you know an amazing fact we can add to this list? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button before you go. And if you loved this video, please do watch other videos too. And I hope you get more than what you're looking for on my channel. See you guys next Sunday with another wonderful video. Until then, I say goodbye with the hope that we would meet again next Sunday. Thank you for your time.